Let me tell you something, there are two kinds of people in this world. The people who make things happen, the people who wonder what happened. The only thing separating these two groups is a simple choice. It's the choice between making an excuse and taking action. An excuse is a comfortable lie you tell yourself. It feels good for a minute, it takes the pressure off. But action? Action is the uncomfortable truth that sets you free. Action is what builds empires. Action is what changes your family's future. Let's get real for a second. Let's talk about something everybody understands. Bills. That light bill, that water bill, that rent or mortgage payment. Have you ever tried to call up the electric company and give them an excuse? Hey listen, I was gonna pay y'all, but my cousin's friend had a thing and I was feeling a little tired and the dog ate my checkbook. What do you think they're gonna say? Sir, that's a real nice story. Now, how are you paying? They don't care about your story. They care about the results, the money hitting their account. Life is the ultimate bill collector. It sends you a bill every single day. That bill is called opportunity. If you don't pay it with action, you go into default. Your dreams get repossessed. Let me tell you a story. I know a man. Let's call him James. James started out as a janitor in a big corporate building. He was mopping floors. He was cleaning toilets. He was emptying trash cans. Every night he saw the executives leaving late, carrying their briefcases, looking important. Now, James could have made 1,000 excuses. He could have said, I'm just a janitor, I don't have a college degree, I didn't grow up with money, this is all I'll ever be. But James didn't do that. Instead of making excuses, he took action. While he was cleaning, he paid attention. He listened to the conversations. He read the papers and reports people left on their desks. He went to the library on his days off and read books, management books, finance books. He saved up his little bit of money. He took a night class at the local community college. He wasn't just mopping floors, he was preparing for his next level. He was taking small, consistent actions every single day, even when nobody was watching. Years went by. James moved from janitor to the mailroom, then to a clerk, and he kept learning. Alright, so, you're fired up, you're ready to stop making excuses. I'll make it simple. I'm not asking for 10 hours, I'm not asking for 10 days, I'm not asking for 10 weeks, I'm asking for 10 minutes. That's it, just 10 minutes. Your new life starts with the next 10 minutes. During these 10 minutes, no distractions, no TV, no social media, no getting up for a snack. For those 10 minutes, your only job, write down one thing, just one thing, that you've been putting off. Updating your resume, researching a class, cleaning out that cluttered garage, making that one phone call you've been dreading. During these 10 minutes, no distractions. Focus all your energy on the very first, tiniest step. Write one paragraph. Do push-ups. Research one competitor. Don't think about the whole staircase. Focus on the first step. Now it's time to get uncomfortable. It's time for some real talk with the most important person in your life. You. Go find a mirror, right now. Walk to the mirror and stand in front of it. Look yourself dead in the eye. Don't look away.
Say your biggest excuse out loud to the mirror. Say it with your chest. I'm not smart enough. I'm not smart enough. I don't have the right connections. I'm too tired after work. It's just not the right time.
Listen to how weak it is. Listen to how it's designed to let you off the hook.
Ask the mirror, are you gonna let that stop you? Ask it again. Are you really gonna let that excuse dictate your life?
For every excuse, create an action statement. Instead of I don't have time, I will wake up 30 minutes earlier. Instead of I don't know how, I will spend 20 minutes a day learning how. The person in that mirror is your roadblock or your ally. Stop making them your enemy. Make them your teammate. It won't disappear by wishing. You must replace it with action. People get paralyzed because they look at the top of the mountain and get scared. They see someone who's already a millionaire, already successful, already living the dream, and they think, I can never get there. You get there one step at a time. It's the small, boring, unsexy, consistent steps that lead to massive results. Think about building a house. It starts with one brick, then another, one by one, day after day. Most days, it doesn't even look like you're making progress. It's dusty, it's hard work, it's tedious, but if you keep laying those bricks consistently, one day you'll look up and you'll have a wall. That victory gives you confidence for the next step. Your 1,000-mile journey starts with one small, deliberate 10-minute step. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small and picks up speed. Don't disrespect the small beginnings. Every great journey started with a single step. What is your one brick for today? Send one email, read one chapter, make one call. do that one thing, and then tomorrow you lay another brick. One of the heaviest anchors holding people down is the blame game. It's so easy to point the finger. My boss is holding me back, my spouse doesn't support me, the economy is bad, I didn't have the same opportunities. When you blame others, you give away all your power. You have to take the steering wheel of your own life. Period. The moment you stop blaming anyone else is the moment you reclaim your power to change your circumstances. You have to take 100% responsibility for your life. For your happiness, for your success, for your finances, for your health. Stop counting all the things that are wrong and start looking for the blessings. Use the power and the talent you have, take responsibility, and start turning your life from a story of blame into a story of blessings. Let's be clear about something. Taking action isn't just about feeling busy. It's about getting results. And the three big results everybody wants are more money, more success, more happiness. When you take action, you develop a new skill, provide a new service, create value, and money follows value. Maybe it's a small trickle at first, a little extra income. That trickle can become a stream. That stream can become a river. Money gives you options, it gives you freedom. It can buy you a better home, provide education, allow you to be generous. The action itself creates happiness. There is a deep satisfaction that comes from using your talents and seeing results. Action creates results. Results build confidence. Confidence fuels more action. Chase purpose. Chase progress. Take action. The money and the happiness will follow you. Alright, we've talked enough. We've laid it all out. You know the difference between action and excuses. You know that bills don't get paid with stories. You have a 10-minute plan to start this very second. You know you need to look in that mirror and fire your inner excuse maker. Your time for excuses is officially over. It expired the moment you started reading this. Promise yourself that starting today you are done with excuses. Not to me, not to anyone else, but to you. So get up right now. Get up off that chair. Get up off that bed. Get up out of your own way. The action you've been putting off is on the other side of your fear. Go do it. Don't think about it. Don't analyze it. Just do it. Your potential is limitless, but it's worthless until you activate it with action. Your time is now. Let's go get what's yours.